Hello Jan, back again with me, Murad. I'm from Elizabeth International Hotel and Business School. I'm majoring in room division. So I'm here for tell you all about cleaning machine equipment of the housekeeping department. So let's go. Okay, now I'm in the pantry of the housekeeping department and I will be to mention about cleaning machine equipment in the housekeeping department. Okay, let's go. We have 3 dry vacuum cleaner and we have blower machine, floor maintenance machine, and then we have auto scrubber machine. And then we have carpet shampooing machine. This is big. And then we have wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Okay, that's all about cleaning machine equipment of housekeeping department. Okay, now I will explain you about floor maintenance machine, part of floor maintenance machine.
The first we have machine handle, and then we have micro and macro switch. This is dual trigger macro switch. And then we have adjuster. This is for adjust according our body posture like this. You can see that. And then we have water tank with chemical, and then we have water tap. This is for adjust the release of water, and in here we have water hose. It's for spraying when working, and we have rotor machine and cover machine, and we have bumper of floor maintenance machine and wheel of floor maintenance machine. And here we have cable power or cable electric power.
Okay, here we have part of floor maintenance machine. This is okay. First one, this is a pad holder, and then we have a white pad. White pad is for using for polishing and buffing. And then we have red pad. Red pad using for scrubbing and washing. And then we have black pad. Black pad is for stripping only. And then we have 2 different brush. This is for white brush, white and black. This is using for soft floor surface. And then we have full black brush. This is using for hard floor surface.